Hey there. You need to stop whatever you're doing and listen to this, because this video presentation could be the ultimate ticket to your success. In a couple of seconds, I'm going to show you how to build high self-discipline and reap full benefits from it. You'll discover the value of discipline and apply them in your life to achieve your goals and massive success. You'll find this to be a life-changing experience when you start to see the positive changes in your state of mind and unleash your full potential. Have you ever wondered how highly successful people are able to achieve the success that they have today? That's because successful people develop great self-discipline and use it to help achieve their goals. They believe in the core value that what they want to attain is important to them. It's the burning fuel that ultimately pushes them forward and keeps them committed to their goals. Instead of giving up, they're motivated by their failures and willing to learn from them, which in turn allows success to find its way towards them. Here's the thing. You need more than just motivation to pave your way to success, and motivation is not the secret ingredient to success. Self-discipline? Yes. Now let me tell you why. Motivation is highly driven by emotion and can be inconsistent from time to time. It can change every day and potentially make room for impulsive decisions. For many, motivation is temporary. Motivation drives you, but only discipline can keep you going, ensuring that you continue to work hard toward your goal, even if there are countless obstacles in your way. Now imagine if you are an entrepreneur who wants to build your brand. There are times when you need to make important decisions. Difficult circumstances require you to be rational and not be driven by impulse. Having great discipline prevents you from being reckless and removes all impulse from your thoughts and actions, which in turn allows you to make decisions quickly and efficiently. Well, today's your lucky day because I'm giving you full access to my entire collection of how to master the art of self-discipline and reap the full benefits of it. Plus, how highly successful people fulfill their dreams by practicing daily self-discipline. And for the first time ever, they've been compiled into one incredible blueprint. Arnold Schwarzenegger, Jack Ma, Serena and Venus Williams, Michael Phelps, Warren Buffett. Just know that I've spent hundreds and thousands of dollars into developing these tried and proven methods to give you the best experience out of your life-changing journey. And here's your golden opportunity to learn my secrets so that you can achieve your goals and enjoy great success. I'm granting you the permission to follow my methods and implement it into your future. It's your chance now to go beyond limitations and push yourself towards your ultimate goal. And the power of discipline shows you exactly how. This might just be the game changer you've been looking for, considering that you want to maintain a higher tolerance for obstacles, frustration, and negative emotions. You want the willpower to stick to your decisions and follow them through without changing your mind. You want to be able to resist temptations and distractions in favor of gaining fulfillment from achieving your goals. You want to have better self-control and show positive behavior in your daily life. And there's no better time than now to start turning the tables in your favor. Introducing the power of discipline, a transformational blueprint on the ways to build high self-discipline and unleash the greatness within you. The power of discipline is your go-to master guide to achieving your goals and massive success. You will gain insights into how highly successful people achieve what they set out to do with great self-discipline. Master the effective approach to achieving great success and get ready to be mind blown by your own transformation. Here's what you can look forward to in the power of discipline. How to master the art of discipline to achieve unimaginable success. 7 effective strategies to building unbreakable self-discipline. How highly successful people develop self-discipline and utilize it to quadruple their productivity and accomplish more. How discipline can strengthen your character, body, relationships, personal and professional life. Why discipline is far more superior than motivation. How poor self-discipline can ultimately destroy your health, wealth, relationship, and happiness. Strategies to implement self-discipline in your own life and enjoy incredible rewards. Instant gratification versus long-term rewards, and so much more waiting to be uncovered inside. That's just scratching the surface. So here's the good news. You get the power of discipline at a one low-time investment. Just know that this master guide is worth so much more than what I'm offering to you right now, but I'll only be charging you a tiny fraction of its total value. The best part, you don't have to waste time attending courses or listening to self-help gurus that promise no results. All you have to do from here onwards is simply apply the methods into your life in the next 30 days. These simple and result-oriented methods are easy to implement, and if this master guide fails to deliver, simply return your order within 30 days for a full refund. However, I do need to remind you that you are potentially delaying your own destined journey of greatness. Fair enough? You have my word on it. Why wait another day? Your investment in the power of discipline is 100% guaranteed. Act now to snap up these fast action bonuses. Secret bonus number 1, complete checklist. Step-by-step guidelines and easy to follow action steps for you to break huge topics into easy, digestible chunks. Secret bonus 2, comprehensive mind map. Visually appealing mind maps to outline everything you're going to discover in the power of discipline. You get all the bonuses, absolutely free, only if you act today. Don't wait anymore. The power to change your life is here right now. Your happiness and life matters, so do whatever it takes to achieve a better future. So why wait? Click the button below right now before this offer is gone for good.